What's up, everybody? This is an auto-tune tutorial with a vocal from Caroline and an Ariana Grande track. This is the track.
Click, 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 and post. Drip, drip, dripped in gold.
Best to take the vocal out. It's not great, but it's okay.
Click, 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 and post. Drip, drip, dripped in gold. Quick, quick, quick.
And this is what Caroline sent me on her iPhone.
Click, 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 and post. Drip, 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 and gold. Quick, 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 let's go.
And then, to start, first we need to find the key of the original track.
Click, 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 and post. Drip, drip, dripped in gold. Quick, 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 let's go. Kiss me. Click, 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 and post. Drip, drip, dripped in gold. Quick, 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 let's go.
So it says A flat major, which I know is right, and I sent it to the auto-tune right here, and so I'm going to take a look back at Caroline's vocal.
Click, 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 and post. Drip, 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 and go. Quick, 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 let's go.
You can hear it's a bit shaky. If I were going for a hard tune, like, Juice WRLD type thing, I'd go really fast.
Click, 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 and post. Drip, 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 and go. Quick, 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 let's go.
I don't think that's right for this, though, so I'm going to back it off a little bit. I'm going to make it sound a bit more human, and I'm going to flex a little bit so it lays off at the end.
Click, 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 and post. Drip, 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 and go. Quick, 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 let's go.
So it's still not catching it, so I'm going to go in and edit it individually by doing this. It's called a graph mode. Okay, I'm going to come back when I do this. I don't want the video to be too long.
Drip, click, and post, and post.
That's fantastic. This is going to be a nightmare.
Click, 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 post, and post. Drip, 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 and go. Quick, 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 let's go. Sheesh, sheesh. Click, 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 post. Drip, 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 and go. Quick, 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 let's go. Click, post. Drip, 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 and go. Quick, 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 let's go.
Alright, I went in here and I tuned everything. I hard tuned it a lot just so you could hear what it sounds like, but here it is.
Click, 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 and post. Drip, 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 and go. Quick, quick, quick.
There's a little thing in there, I'm just gonna ignore it, I think. But let's listen to it in context. Oh, and I'm going to add an Ariana kind of reverb to sound like this.
Click, 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 and post. Drip, 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 and go. Quick, 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 let's go.
And then I turned off the auto-tune for that last thing too. Let's add it to the track.
Click, 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 and post. Drip, 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 and go. Quick, 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 let's go.
Pretty good.